Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Evan with HBI Auto. Today I'm going to go over how to see how much oil life you have remaining on your Porsche. This is going to be pretty much the same across your 991s, your Macans, Cayennes. Pretty much the same process as far as seeing how much time is left on until you need an oil change. Lever right here, you want to pull up your vehicle tab and then push it forward. Then you want to go to your info, service interval, inspection now. If you hit down, oil maintenance now. So you have those two that are due right now on this car. But that's how you can see it. Your other message can be here as well, notifications. Now if your service is not due, it's going to say service due in so many days, so many miles. And that's what you can go off of. And you have your service interval 1 and 2. So your oil is 2, your 1 is going to be like your 20Ks. Your 40Ks and stuff like that. It's going to be that in-between service. You'll need both the oil and the inspection. Now we'll go over to a car that has the multi-function steering wheel and we'll show you how to do it on that one. The steering wheel is going to have this knob right here. And once again, you want to go to where the vehicle is, the vehicle status, click it. And then this other will pop up and you want to go to inspections. Click that. So inspection is due in 19,000 miles and 2 years from now. And your oil is due in 9,400 miles and 1 year from now. Like I said, the oil is going to be every year. The inspection is going to be every 2 years, so 20,000 miles and 10,000 miles. That way, you know, you're not having to call up your service provider. You can just look at your own dash, and there's stickers on the windshield, and it's going to tell you, hey, your services are due at this time. You know, also in this menu, you check the oil level, which is pretty tricky. But right now, it's of course just saying, you know, oil level, say min max. A lot of people see this, you know, the green's low right here, but in reality, the difference between minimum and maximum on these cars is about 200 milliliters. So it's a very small amount. So if you see that as low, don't just go put in a liter of oil because it might be too much and it's gonna be over full then. So guys, that's it for the video. I just want to make a quick video for people to see, hey, instead of having to waste time calling your, you know, the person that serviced the vehicle, you can kind of get this information yourself. Now, of course, you know, other services might be a little bit different, but, you know, basic services like your oil and your intermediates are going to be available in your screen one way or the other, whether it be through the steering wheel or the lever at the bottom right there. If you have any questions, please listen below. Thank you guys for watching.